Good morning, and look at that. Do I not have the nicest spot for a camper all in France? This is a most beautiful place where I'm standing now. It's on the underside of Chateau. I was first on the parking place and I could stand more in the forest, so it's great. I will show you. Because look at that. It's on the back, more on the side. And there's the Chateau. And here is my camper with diesel, you see, between these beautiful trees. And it is here so quiet. You only hear the birds and the cows, and the view is amazing. So I'm really happy with that. So I was working on the garden. I cut the grass because there are guests coming today. So make everything nice for them. So what a spot, huh? Yeah, it's great. I'm so glad that I'm here. And we have here, this is Jiva. Hello. I always give her a snack. Hey, how are you? Come. Come here. Hey. Itching. And off she goes. Beautiful dog. Yeah. She's very pretty. And very sweet. Okay, I will leave her. It is a little bit rainy today, so I cannot continue with the roof because you need to have dry weather to glue everything back. But there was a leak in the cellar, so I already started to do some work on it. But it's not easy to find it. I will show you. So it's here, down, down, down. Yeah, it's here. And then it comes from up there. But it is not this, and it is not that. It is really coming from upstairs. So difficult to find. But okay, so let's go up now. So it's here. First we thought it's behind here. So I saw this out, but it was not there, there's nothing there. But now I took this away, and here it is totally wet. But it is more up. So here above is a bathroom. So I will check this first. So here's the bathroom. So it has to be here somewhere. Okay, so I will take the toilet away and see if it is some of this. Yeah, well, it's hard, but you have to start somewhere. So okay, let's do that. Well, here is nothing to see. It is all dry. So then have to go down to see if it is there. And oh dear, it broke. Damn. I put it at I had put it straight up, and it slides down, and it broke. Oh, okay, I'm in trouble. He got another one, but it isn't the same size. So then I also have to change the toilet. And here it was the same height, so that has to be fit. Oh, what a mess. Well, it can happen. Phew, saved by the bell. So you say in Holland een geluk bij een ongeluk. Een lak bij een not luck. Okay, whatever. So, okay, the other toilet fits, so I only have to change this to this side. Well, phew! So I put the other toilet back on and it works. One toilet it didn't work, the flutter, so the water was still going. So I changed it from the one toilet to the other. Yeah, well, it works now. But I still don't know where the leak is. So, well. So going back down and see what we can do. To be continued. So it has to be here, but where? It's not here. So I'm afraid we have to take this all away. It has to be there, maybe up, it can be half, it can be higher, between the ceiling. Oh my goodness, well, okay. So we continue with seeking for the leak, and we found it. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's here. Can you see it? They have put a red plastic cable onto a copper, and that is where it leaks. But it's crazy because they put it behind. You never can reach there. So we're trying to cut the red and try to get that one out, or leave it in and put another red down. Well, I'm glad that we found the leak, but it's not going to be easy, of course. But okay, we have to try because it has to be closed. because this is crazy. The water is leaking totally in the cellar. But okay, let's do this. So now we see the ring was in there is totally gone. This is where we leaked, so we have to put the new ring and put it back together, and hopefully it is solved.
The new seal.
Yeah. So this is now fine. But now it's also leaking here. So I have to take that one out too, and also with the new rubber. So this was the problem up. So yeah. Oh my. Everything is so. You better have to use rubber instead of this, because on some point it will go away. So the leak is good. I did it yesterday. So I filled it up with plasterboard and some tape. So then I put this on the plaster, and then it has to dry a couple of hours, 3 hours it says. So then I can finish the rest tomorrow. I'm very glad that we solved this leak problem, because yeah, it is always difficult to find. And it was not that bad. We didn't have to break much, so we were very lucky. Okay, done. So it is done. Everything is closed again. The wallpaper back on. Only I need to paint this. But yeah, there's a lot of places what need some paint. So if we have the right paint, I can paint everything. Then give it a little sand dust and just paint all those spots. Okay. This is also a workaway address I found on the workaway site. At the moment I'm the only one here to help them out. So if you want to like to help them and to being in a nice beautiful yoga retreat center, and yeah, I will put the link in the description. So because I also can use some help. Okay.